I'd like to thank FORITO for going through and sending me this anti-privacy screen protector for my laptop in exchange for an honest review. This is going to go through and go on a regular size laptop, the 15.6-inch display, and I'm going to go through and show you how to install it. But first, let me go through and give you a little information about it. It did fit no problem. Took me a little while to get on just because I'm not the greatest at getting things on with air bubbles, but I did get through it and it did work well. This is going to go through and make it so if someone's looking at your laptop straight on, they can see, but if they're trying on the side, they can't. So it's going to be good if you're working in plain view, or if you're at home and you're trying to do something and kids are always looking at your laptop and you don't want them looking, then that could be a problem. So let me go through and give you an idea of what it looks like. So here is my laptop. You can see the blue screen makes it easy, so you're looking directly at it. So now if we start turning it, all of a sudden you can't see it there. And that's exactly what it does, which is amazing because someone just a little bit over can't see what you can see. So it's also going to stop it from glaring too on the screen, which you can't really tell because of the lights in here, but I could tell you it looks really nice and it looks a lot more smoother, kind of like dark mode, if you will, on the screen, and I do like it. So this is going to be great, so I don't have to worry about people looking at my work and seeing what I'm doing, especially because sometimes I'm doing stuff I don't want people to see. I'm doing business stuff and I don't want them to know what my business ideas are because they'll steal them. So things like that is a really great addition to my laptop, especially when I'm like waiting for my car to get an oil change and I'm working for a bit. Since I pretty much work remotely, I can do that. And I have a privacy screen so everyone on the sides won't be able to see what I'm doing. So let me go through and show you the breakdown. So the first thing you want to do is wipe down the screen. You want to make sure you clean it. Mine was very dirty. They give you a wet wipe for this. You can go through and clean it off. It worked very well. I was impressed by that. You're going to go through and dry it. So you're going to go through and just get the dry cloth that is included with it. And you'll just go through and dry it off. Next, you're going to make sure all the dust is gone. So there's a little sticker there that you can go through and hit the screen with and make sure you suck up all the dust that's on there that's left from the cloth itself. This is going through making sure we have a clean surface, so there's going to be nothing under the screen that's going to bug you. After that, we're going to go ahead and put the screen up, and we're going to make sure the front label says front and the back label you cannot see. And on the screen, then we're going to put these 3 stickers that are guides that's going to hold it in place for us. So once you have that set and it's in place, now we need to go through and remove the back piece and stick it to the screen. When we do this, we're going to have a air bubble remover that we're going to use and push. It did take me a little practice to get used to it. When I got about a quarter way in, I started figuring it out more. You want to make sure you push it with the thing to push it down. Don't just push it against the screen with the hand that's holding the sticky part. You want to push it with the piece you have. So you're going to go through and do that for the whole screen. And if you make a mistake, just pull the screen up a bit. It'll pull those air bubbles back up and then just push it back down. Rinse and repeat until you get all the way through. And there's 2 parts of the air bubble tool. There's just a regular rubber piece and then like a smoother piece on the other side. You can use whichever one you prefer until you get all the air bubbles out. Once you get that and you have it completely against, then we just remove the front area and those sticker guidelines, and all of a sudden you have yourself a full privacy screen on the laptop. So my thoughts overall, would I purchase this if I was looking for an anti-glare screen, anti-peeping screen? Definitely worked. It did the right thing. It has all the cleaning tools with it, so you don't have to worry about having anything on your own. I didn't use anything of mine. Everything I used was included in this kit, and I got it set up great. So definitely would buy it again.